Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to my channel. Today topic is the cultural history of Swat Valley. So let's start. Swat Valley, located in the Khyber Pakhtunkhwa province of Pakistan, is famous for its rich cultural and historical heritage. Known as the Switzerland of the East for its stunning natural beauty, Swat has been home to various civilizations for thousands of years. Its history dates back to ancient times when it was part of the Gandhara civilization, a hub of Bandush culture, art, and learning from the 6th century BCE to the 11th century CE. The valley was a key region on the ancient Silk Road connecting South Asia with Central Asia. It is dotted with ancient stupas, monasteries, and statues, including the iconic 7th century rock carved Badho in Janabad. During the Gandhara period, Swat was known for its unique Buddhist art blending Greek, Persian, and Indian influences. After Buddhism declined, Hinduism and local traditions flourished until the 11th century when Islam began spreading in the region. Over the centuries, Swat became part of various Muslim empires, blending Islam traditions with its ancient heritage. In the 20th century, Swat was an independent princely state ruled by the Wali who modernized the region by building schools, roads, and hospitals while preserving its cultural heritage. The valley officially joined Pakistan in 1969 as a part of Khyber Pakhtunkhwa. Swat is known for its traditional Pashto culture characterized by hospitality, strong tribal customs, and rich artistic heritage. The valley is famous for traditional music, especially the Pashto Rabab and its delicious cuisine including chapli kebabs and lamb kadahi. Local crafts such as embroidery, wood carving, and pottery are highly valued, while storytelling and folk poetry remains integral to the culture. Festivals like Eid and other celebrations foster community spirit, and women play a significant role in preserving traditional crafts like embroidery and weaving. The valley is also renowned for its agriculture, producing apples, peaches, and apricots. Despite its cultural richness, Swat has faced challenges, including a period of insurgency in the earlier 2000th century. Peace was restored in 2009, and efforts are ongoing to promote tourism and rebuild the region's heritage. The Sawat Museum in Mangora displays artifacts from the Gandhara period and Islamic history, attracting listeners and tourists. The valley is also a hub for adventure tourism and winter sports, with Malam Jabba serving as a popular ski resort. The Swat River, central to the valley's beauty and economy, supports farming and livelihoods. Today, Swat education system is improving with the establishment of modern schools and colleges. The people of Swat take pride in their rich cultural and historical legacy, working to preserve traditions while embracing modernity. The valley's history is a testament to resilience and cultural harmony, making it a treasure not just for Pakistan but for the world. Swat stands as a remarkable blend of natural beauty, history, and culture.